Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Yerington Elementary School in Yerington, Nevada, home of the Cubs. And I got to speak today to all the grades K through 4 in an assembly over in the intermediate gym. The topic today was on bullying. Look at the heart first, and very emotional talk for me always, because it's one that's very close to my heart. When we're talking about our hearts are as big as our fists, right? If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign, right? That one finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person. But it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, what we say or do can stand someone's heart in a positive way or in a negative way, and that could be forever, right? And so we know that bullying is repeated over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, right? Those one-time words, they can have the same impact, on our hearts. We have to be so conscious about what we say, what we do, be able to see people for their heart first, but also for this too. I bring this up in all my assemblies. It's so important. But the concept of us being all true miracles, right? So with the lines on our hands, we all have the letter M. We might have more than one, but we have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. I traced one of mine here, but that M, like I just said, stands for miracle at the front of my shirt. Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive. But we have to believe this, because so many students I speak to, sometimes they've never been told that. Sometimes they need a reminder, and we can be the light to their heart if we choose to. And we know that bullying happens. It could be because somebody's jealous of what we have, right? It could be that they're having a bad day. Could be that we look different than them, so they don't really get past those judgments or really accept us. But the biggest reason that I've seen, where I've talked all across this country in 20 states now, it's my first time in Nevada, my first school in Nevada, so it's an honor to be here for sure. But I always say the biggest reason is that hurt people, right? But if we can let that love fully enter our heart, we can turn that hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, right? To be able to rise above the hate, to still be able to show that love and kindness no matter what's done to us or shown to us. And we know that there's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter. So we don't have to take those hurtful comments personally, but just know that maybe we can hopefully show that person the love that they need. Maybe it changes their heart, maybe it doesn't, but at least we've tried. I think that's the biggest thing, is that we understand that our true friends, our real friends, are going to see us for this. And we do our best to see others for that as well, for their heart first, and really just try to spread that kindness, right? Because this world needs a lot more of that. But thank you so much for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day, getting to meet all of you. Hopefully something touched your heart. If it did, that means you have big hearts. So go now and share that by being the change, and just showing compassion to everybody that you interact with going forward. Hope to see you all again soon. For now, they'll have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.